Hello dear students, especially of the class 9th. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, as you know, there is a topic of paragraph writing. जो आपका एक चैप्टर है पैराग्राफ राइटिंग, वो आपके पेपरों में आ रहा है. दिस चैप्टर इज कमिंग इन योर पेपर्स. तो पैराग्राफ्स में केवल और केवल आपको हेडिंग डालनी होती, बाद बाकी आपको जो भी टॉपिक गिवन होता है उस पर लिखना होता है. फॉर्मेट बहुत ही ईजी है. तो इसमें हमने वो 4-5 मोस्ट पॉसिबल टॉपिक्स पे आपको पैराग्राफ लिखने मतलब लिख कर के दे रहा हूँ, जो मे बी द पार्ट ऑफ योर पेपर. तो सबसे पहला है ये टॉपिक, इंडिया ऑफ माई ड्रीम्स. मतलब हमारा जो है भारत है, वो सपनों का भारत कैसा होगा, हाउ विल बी, ये आप कैसा सोचते हैं, आपके ड्रीम्स में कैसा आपका इंडिया हो. तो उस टॉपिक पे ये लिखा है. आप अपने आप से भी लिख सकते हैं, ये वाला आंसर इससे भी लिख सकते हैं, एज यू विश यू कैन. तो लिखा है, इंडिया ए लैंड ऑफ डाइवर्सिटी, रिच कल्चर एंड वाइब्रेंट हेरिटेज, इज ए नेशन that has always been close to my heart. In my dream India, every citizen has access to quality education, healthcare and employment opportunities. This country is free from poverty, corruption and inequality. फिर एक लाइन छोड़ दीजिए. Our nation is powered by renewable energy with clean air and water and less green forests. Cities are well planned with efficient public transport systems, and villages are thriving with the modern amenities and infrastructure. फिर एक लाइन का स्पेस दीजिएगा. Our rich cultural heritage is preserved and promoted with a strong emphasis on arts, literature and music. Diversity is celebrated and differences are embraced. India is respected globally for its contributions to science, technology and innovation. फिर से एक लाइन का स्पेस दीजिए. Most importantly, India is a nation united with a sense of purpose and belonging. We are proud of our past, optimistic about our present and excited about our future. This is the India of my dreams, a nation that is strong, prosperous and happy. तो ये आपका आंसर है. आप चाहें कहीं के भी हो स्टूडेंट, नो मैटर फ्रॉम वेयर यू आर वाचिंग, ऐसा टॉपिक पे आपको अगर पैराग्राफ लिखना है तो आप अपनी नोटबुक में इनको मेंटेन कर सकते हैं. नाउ द सेकेंड टॉपिक इज हियर ऑफ द वीडियो, एयर पोल्यूशन. So air pollution is a major environmental issue that affects millions of people worldwide. The air we breathe is filled with the pollutants such as particulate matter, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, and carbon monoxide. These pollutants come from the various sources, including vehicles, industrial plants, and burning fossil fuels. The effects of air pollution are severe and far-reaching. It can cause respiratory problems such as asthma and bronchitis, and even lead to the premature death. Air pollution also affects the environment, damaging crops, forests, and waterways. To combat air pollution, individuals can make a difference by using public transport, carpooling, or driving electric or hybrid vehicles. Governments and industries must also take action by implementing policies and technologies that reduce emissions. By working together, we can reduce air pollution and create a healthier, more sustainable future for ourselves and future generations. Now the topic is here, importance of trees. Trees are one of the most vital components of our ecosystem. They play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our nature and supporting life on Earth. Trees provide oxygen, absorb carbon dioxide, and support a wide range of plant and animal species. Trees also help to prevent soil erosion and regulate water cycles and moderate the climate. They provide shade, shelter, food for humans and wildlife, and are a source of medicine, timber, and other essential products. Furthermore, trees have a profound impact on our mental and emotional well-being. They provide a sense of calm, reduce stress, and promote feelings of happiness and relaxation. In conclusion, trees are a precious resource that deserves our respect, care, and protection. We must take action to plant more trees, preserve existing forests, and promote sustainable land use practices to ensure the continued health and well-being of our planet. Now the next topic is a scene at railway station. ये आप पेज के बीचों बीच में ये टॉपिक डालिएगा विद द ब्लैक पेन, ये हेडिंग हो जाएगी, ये सीन एट रेलवे स्टेशन, फिर आंसर लिखिएगा ब्लू पेन से. The railway station was bustling with activity. People of all ages and backgrounds hurried to catch their trains, their luggage and belongings in tow. The sound of announcements and the chatter of passengers filled the air. On one platform, a family was bidding farewell to their son who was leaving for college. The mother was tearfully hugging her son, while the father was handing him a packet of homemade snacks. The son, trying to hide his emotions, was smiling and reassuring his parents that he would be fine. Nearby, a group of friends were laughing and joking as they waited for their train, and they were all excitedly chattering about the upcoming vacations plan. An elderly couple sat on a bench watching the commotion with a mixture of curiosity and nostalgia. The station was a hub of activity, a place where people come and went, each with their own story to tell. Now the next topic is here, importance of time management. तो ये रहा इम्पोर्टेंस टाइम मैनेज का, इसे भी आप नोटबुक में मेंटेन करिए अच्छे से. और इसके बाद में जो दिया गया है ये बेनिफिट्स ऑफ रीडिंग पे है, और नेक्स्ट ये इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज, और वैल्यू ऑफ फ्रेंडशिप पे भी दिया गया है यहाँ पे, और लास्ट में दिया गया है इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ हेल्दी ईटिंग हैबिट्स. तो ये सारे पैराग्राफ्स हैं जो अपनी नोटबुक में मेंटेन कर लीजिए. इन्हीं में से आई होप यू विल गेट आइडिया कि कैसे पैराग्राफ लिखा जाता है, और कोई भी पैराग्राफ का क्वेश्चन आएगा आई होप आप अटेम्प्ट कर लेंगे. If you find this video useful, then do like, share, comment. And thank you so much for watching.